Today, I'd like to tell you about why I love bacteria. I feel like they often get a bad reputation because they make scary headlines, and it feels like every other product out there is trying to kill 99.99% of them. However, it's really only a small percentage of these bacteria that will actually make you sick and that are pathogenic. Most are actually relatively harmless. Some are even beneficial, and I don't mean the kind that are in your yogurt. The reason I love bacteria is because they are amazing chemists, especially one called Streptomyces. They make what are called natural products, or molecules made by living organisms. We, as researchers, care about natural products because they serve as the foundation and inspiration for many of our clinically relevant medication. For example, has anyone in here ever heard of or taken anything called a Z-Pak? Right? That is actually the antibiotic azithromycin, which was inspired by the natural product erythromycin. So the way that these bacteria make these natural products is actually encoded in their DNA. They have what's called a biosynthetic gene, or a biosynthetic pathway, which is just a bunch of genes which code for enzymes. And these enzymes are what actually carry out the chemistry and interact with each other to make the final natural product. So one difficulty in working with natural products is that these bacteria make these molecules for them to use. They don't make them for us to use as medicine. So we oftentimes have to modify these natural products before we can use them. We make them safer or more effective. We can do that in several ways. One way we do that is using traditional organic chemistry. However, that can be very difficult given the complexity of many of these natural products. Alternatively, we can go to the source, which is what I do. The goal of my research is actually to go in and edit these genes and rewrite them so that I can change the enzymes that they make. I try to engineer these enzymes to do different types of chemistry or have different substrates or interact in different ways so that I could change the molecule that they make. And I've actually had success in doing this, making bi- and trifunctional enzymes that do additional chemistry that they weren't normally able to do. And so that is why I love bacteria. It's because I believe that their DNA holds enormous potential. We just need to access it. Thank you.